Welcome back to Bridge Course students. In the last class, we were discussing about trigonometry, angle, system of angles and the relation between degree and radian. Now in this class, let us discuss about trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. ತ್ರಿಕೋನಮಿತಿಯ ಅನುಪಾತಗಳು. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತ್ರಿಕೋನಮಿತಿ, ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅನುಪಾತ. ತ್ರಿಕೋನಮಿತಿಯ ಅನುಪಾತಗಳು. Students, trigonometric ratios gives lot of information about right angle triangle. Information in these ratios helps to find the length of the triangle along with the corresponding angles. This is the use of trigonometric ratios. See here, if any right angle triangle is there, in that right angle triangle you can find the length of the any side with corresponding angle. Students, there are 6 trigonometric ratios are there. How to define those 6 trigonometric ratios? Let us see. To understand this concept of trigonometric ratios, let us take 2 straight lines. 2 straight lines intersect at a point. Shall we take how the 2 lines are intersect? See here, I will take. This is one line. This line we are calling y or y dash. This is point O, right? Now I will take one more line. This is the line, right? This line is nothing but x o x dash, x o x dash, right? What is that? The 2 parallel lines y o y dash, x o x dash intersect at a point O. Then this plane can be divided. Plane can be divided into 4 equal parts. ಈ ಆಯತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 4 equal part ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. These 4 equal parts, these we are calling quadrants. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Students, now I take any point on this quadrant. Let us take this point as nothing but M, right? Now draw MN perpendicular to x o x dash. MN perpendicular to x o x dash. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಒಂದು ಸರಳ ರೇಖೆ ಎದುರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, x o x dash ಮೇಲೆ ಲಂಬವಾಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Now students, this is point O, this is point M. Let us join OM. This is the line OM, right? Then this triangle looks like a right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, I will take this as a theta. This is nothing but theta, right? So to take, look at me. This is nothing but right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right, students. In this right angle triangle, 3 sides are there. This is one side, second and third. See here. If this is theta, now we can angle on the if this is theta, this side is called as opposite side. This side we are calling opposite side. And this side ON, this we are calling adjacent side. Adjacent side. And this side, which one side? OM. This is nothing but hypotenuse side. I said, students, there are 6 trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios are sine, cosec, cosecant, cosecant, cosine, cosine, secant, tangent and cotangent or cotangent we are calling, right? 6 trigonometric ratios are there. What are those? Sine is one trigonometric ratio, cosecant is one trigonometric ratio, cosine is one trigonometric ratio, secant is one trigonometric ratio, fifth one is tangent, and sixth one is cotangent or cotangent we are calling, right? These 6 trigonometric ratios, how to define from this triangle, right? Which is the triangle actually? MON looks like triangle. In this triangle, let us take how to define sine. The corresponding angle, how to define. Here sine can be replaced by sine theta, because angle we need to calculate here, right? See here, sine theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Sine theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse, right? Which is the opposite side? MN is the opposite side and OM is nothing but hypotenuse side. Shall we take here? Sine theta equal to what value? MN divided by OM, right? This is sine theta. Then cosine theta, how to define? Cosine theta, look at me here. Cosine theta can replace by cos theta. In short, we can call cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent divided by hypotenuse. How to define? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Shall we take? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse, right? Or directly shall I write here? Cos theta. What is adjacent? ON is the adjacent. ON. Hypotenuse. OM is nothing but hypotenuse. This is cos theta. Then tangent theta, how to define? Tangent. Tan of theta. Tangent theta can be replaced by tan of theta. Tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Shall we take opposite? Opposite divided by adjacent. See here then, tan theta equal to what value opposite? That is MN. Adjacent is what? Adjacent equal to ON. Right thing? Then look at this students here. We got 3 angles here, 3 trigonometric ratios. One is sine theta, cos theta, and next one is tan theta. But 3 are remaining. What are the remaining? Cosecant theta remaining, secant theta remaining, and cotangent theta remaining. Cotangent theta remaining. Simply, cosecant theta is nothing but reverse of sine theta. Cosecant theta is reverse of sine theta. Actually, what is sine theta? Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cosecant theta is nothing but a hypotenuse by opposite. Then shall I take cosecant theta? Cosec theta is equal to reverse of tan theta. Hypotenuse by opposite. ON by M. ON divided by M. Right. Next here cos theta is there. We need sec theta, secant theta. Cos theta is the reverse of sec theta. Here what is sec theta actually then? How to write sec theta? Sec of theta. What is cos theta here? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Sec theta, hypotenuse by adjacent. Simply this line. How to write? Hypotenuse divided by adjacent in this triangle. Right. One more remaining. Cotangent theta. Cotangent theta is the reverse of tan theta. What is what tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. Then see here cot theta. What is cot theta? Cot theta is the reverse of this line. Adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent? ON. Reverse of this line. whole divided by how much? That is mn. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios which helps to find the sides of a right angle triangle with corresponding angles. Simply using use of all these trigonometric ratios, we can find the side of any right angle triangle with corresponding angle. But students, we said that y o y dash x o x dash, y o y dash ಮತ್ತು x o x dash ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಆಯತನ 4 ಭಾಗವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. In each quadrant, which trigonometric ratio is positive, which trigonometric ratio is negative, that we will see. In 4 quadrant ಒಳಗ ಯಾವ ತ್ರಿಕೋನಮಿತಿಯ ಅನುಪಾತಗಳು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವುದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Shall we see that? See here. Again I will take. Look at me students here. Again I will take y o y dash and x o x dash intersect at a point O. ఇక్కడ ಸರಳ ರೇಖೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಒಂದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, y o y dash ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನು ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, x o x dash ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಛೇದ ಆಗ್ಯದ, o ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಛೇದ ಆಗ್ಯದ. This plane now divided into 4 equal parts. First quadrant, right? Second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Quadrant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜ. ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಚತುರ್ಭುಜ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In the first quadrant, all 6 trigonometric ratios are positive. All 6. What are the 6? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosecant theta, and cot theta. All are the positive. In this year, all trigonometric ratios, all are positive. 6 are positive. Then in second quadrant, only sine and cosec are positive. Sine and cosec are positive. Remaining all are negative. In this triangle, in this quadrant. And what are those? Sine and cosec. Only the positive. Rest of all 4. Sine and cosec only the positive. Which are the negative? Cos is negative, sec is negative, tan is negative, and cot is also negative. Right? Where? In the second quadrant. But here the second quadrant changes from 0 to 180. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ 0 ದಿಂದ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದ 0 to 90 because this angle is 90, this total is 180. Right? Then let us go for third quadrant. Student, this is the third quadrant. ಇದು ಮೂರನೇ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜ. In third quadrant, only tan theta and cot theta are positive. Tan and cot are positive. Right? These only 2 trigonometric ratios are positive. The remaining all, what are those? Sine, cosec, cos, sec, all are negative in the third quadrant. And the third quadrant changes from 0 to 270 degree. This is 90, 180 and 270. Right? In fourth quadrant, only cos and sec are positive. Cos and sec are positive. See here, remaining of what are those? Sin theta, cosec theta, sin theta, cosec theta, tan theta, cot theta, all are negative. Simply, in which quadrant which trigonometric ratios are positive can be remembered by this notation. In first quadrant all are positive, in second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, in third quadrant tan and cot are positive, in fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. This is how to indicate the signs of the positive negative corresponding to 6-4 quadrant in a given plane. ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟದ ಆಯತ ಒಳಗ 4 ಚತುರ್ಭುಜ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ತ್ರಿಕೋನಮಿತಿಯ ಅನುಪಾತಗಳು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವ ತ್ರಿಕೋನಮಿತಿಯ ಅನುಪಾತಗಳು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Right? Now students, let us see few relations for trigonometric ratios. That is important relation for trigonometric ratios. Look at me here. Remember all this. Now let us see. Important relations. Important relations of trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Here are trigonometric ratios. Students, what we said? There are 6 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Right? These are 6 trigonometric ratios have a lot of relations, but let us see only few important relations what we need for physics. Shall we see? First relation is sin theta is the reverse of cosec theta. Sin theta is reverse of cosec theta. Right? Second relation is cos theta is the reverse of sec theta. Cos theta is the reverse of sec theta. And the third important relation also, tan theta is the reverse of cot theta. Tan theta is the reverse of cot theta. And one more is there. Fourth one. Fourth one is nothing but sin square theta. Sin square theta. How to read this? Sin square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Fourth important relation. Fifth one is sec square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. One more relation we will see. Cot square theta equal to 1 plus cosec square theta. Cot square theta is equal to 1 plus cosec square theta. Sorry, cosec square theta equal to cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. These are the few important relations what we need for further study in physics. So many relations are there. So many relations we will learn in mathematics that correspond to trigonometry in first piece along with in second piece. But students, there are some standard angles are available. Standard angles in trigonometric ratios. In first quadrant, in second quadrant, in third quadrant, in fourth quadrant. Which trigonometric ratio has how much angle? That we need to find. ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜ ಒಳಗ ಇವು ತ್ರಿಕೋನಮಿತಿಯ ಅನುಪಾತಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ತ್ರಿಕೋನಮಿತಿಯ ಅನುಪಾತಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ನೌ a table for standard angle for trigonometric ratios. That will see students. Right. Trigonometric ratio of standard angles. I mean, each trigonometric ratio has how much angle? That is represented by this column. by this table. This table is very important to understand the sine angle, cos angle and tan angle. See your students, what is meaning of this? Here three trigonometric ratios are there: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and angles are there: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 180 degree. How to read this table? Sine 0 degree equal to 0. How to read? Sine 0 degree equal to 0. That is, we need sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Then sine 30 degree 1 by 2. Right? Sine of 45 degree 1 by root 2. Sine of 60 degree 1 root 3 by 2. Sine of 90 degree 1. Sine of 120 degree root 3 by 2. And sine of 180 degree 0. Right? Simply again come to cos. Cos 0 degree 1. Right? Cos 30 degree, how much? Root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree 1 by root. Cos of 60 degree 1 by 2. Right? Cos of 90 degree 0. Cos of 120 degree minus 1 by 2. Cos of 180 degree minus 1. Right? Then again tan theta. Right? Tan 0 degree 0. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Tan 45 1. Tan 60 root 3. Tan 90 infinity. Tan 120 minus root 3. And tan 180 is 0. Simply, if you understand these three trigonometric ratios, you can find the remaining three trigonometric ratios. Because sin theta is reverse of cosec theta. If sin 0 is there, sin 0 is 1, reverse of that also. See here, using three trigonometric ratios, we can see the standard angle for corresponding trigonometric ratios using this column. This column is very important, so it helpful even for mathematics and physics also. Students, we said that sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, what they indicate actually? Sin theta indicates vertical side. Sin theta indicates vertical side. This one indicates side, vertical side. Cos theta, that indicates a horizontal side. Indicates horizontal. Tan theta indicates a direction. That indicates a direction. Tan theta indicates slope. Slope ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಈ sin theta ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ cos theta ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ tan theta ಏನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. So these are few mathematical tools which are used in physics. Some mathematical tools are there that we will see in the next class. Thank you.